Now, Android O was announced yesterday. I mean, not officially announced because we still don't know what O stands for. क्या वो OMG होने वाला है या फिर Oreo होने वाला है या oatmeal cookies होने वाला है? Nobody knows. Android O is still months away from coming on to commercial devices, लेकिन कल उन्होंने अनाउंस किया कि Android O का बीटा आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास कोई Nexus devices हैं या फिर Pixel है, you can definitely go ahead and download it. But remember, just as is the case with any beta version of an operating system, कुछ चीज़ें बगी हो सकती हैं, कुछ चीज़ें जैसे उन्होंने कहा है शायद काम नहीं कर सकती है. So I've got it downloaded on a Nexus 5X and let me give you a quick synopsis of some of the brand new features on Android O. Okay, let's take a look at Android O and some of the cool new features. First up is a notification panel. So you bring this down and what you see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shortcuts that you can customize. You also see the settings bar which is showing up right here. And agar brightness aapko adjust karna hai, you just pull it down and there's brightness right here on the top. Settings menu itself has been redesigned slightly. Things have been clustered together alag se thoda sa. Connected devices, network and internet, battery, display. अब बैटरी में आपको थोड़े डिस्प्ले के ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे जैसे adaptive brightness, you can turn on the battery percentage. और जगह जगह पे आप देखोगे कि a lot of features have been clubbed together under advanced. एडवांस्ड पे आप क्लिक करोगे, जनरली थोड़ी सफाई हाउसकीपिंग हुई है यहाँ पे एंड दीज थिंग्स आर हिडन अवे. दे आर ऑल स्टिल देयर लेकिन एडवांस में छुपे हुए हैं. सिस्टम, what do you think O will stand for? Oreo? One of the big features of Android O is going to be security and safety. And इसमें verify apps is a big thing. जहाँ पे apps को आप स्कैन करवा सकते हैं Google Play Store से, जो भी apps आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, and improve harmful app detection को आप ऑन कर सकते हैं, जिससे जो unknown apps हैं ये आपके फ़ोन से Google को information भेजी जाएगी so that they know how to flag it off. जैसे ही आप कोई भी नया ऐप डाउनलोड करते हैं, स्कैन रन होता है and the phone tells you whether it is safe or no to use. A big problem for Google Play has been unauthorized app stores and unauthorized app, जिससे पूरे फ़ोन की Android की सिक्योरिटी पर एक बड़ा सवाल आ जाता है. And so this is a big reason they have put that in. Security patch level 5th of May 2017 and app security is a big one with Android O. There are two other big features of Android O, which is notification dots and multitasking picture-in-picture. Now, the thing with picture-in-picture is it works with YouTube कि आप कोई वीडियो अगर प्ले कर रहे हैं YouTube पे तो वो आप मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं और पूरे स्क्रीन के ऊपर आप बाकी जो चाहें वो कर सकते हैं. लेकिन पिक्चर-इन-पिक्चर काम करने के लिए YouTube के ऊपर you need to have YouTube Red connection और YouTube Red subscription. तो अगर आपके पास YouTube Red subscription नहीं है फिलहाल, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. This is Tim Schofield. I met him over here. He is a fellow YouTuber with our gang. तो अभी अगर मैं minimize करता हूँ तो आपको कुछ नहीं दिखता है, but otherwise there will be a minimized window here which you can move around and you can continue doing whatever you want. Let's take a look at notification dots. I'm going to have to sign into an app to be able to show you notification dots. The last new feature I want to talk to you guys about on Android O is notification dots. It's not really showing here, but it should show in the app drawer as well. अगर नए apps के लिए कोई नए notifications आते हैं, I've just set this up and third-party apps will obviously keep getting added in this. But this works really well on Google apps so far. But before that, let me actually bring in the Apple iPhone, because the 3D Touch on Apple iPhone is something that we understand this sort of functionality really well on. So if I click on Twitter, see what it shows. there are quick actions जो आप कर सकते हैं. Okay, now it's out. Let's take a look at Android O now. So if I go close in on Gmail, long press, I get a haptic feedback and it shows me the last email ID that I've shared an email to, and I can quickly go there, or the last email I've got, I can quickly compose something. If I go to YouTube, I get search, trending and subscriptions. I can search right here and it launches the app. If I click on Google Photos, I'm feeling lucky. Let's click on I'm feeling lucky. And it will, okay, it takes you to the search bar of the Photos app. If I click on Maps, work home, आपके जो saved addresses होंगे, this will basically take you there. So notification dots is actually, if I have a notification on any of these, like brand new email or YouTube notifications, there's a tiny dot which is color coded जो इस icon के साथ match करेगा, and that will show up, and I just have to like long press it, haptic feedback मिलेगा, vibration होगा, and I can do these quick actions. So that's primarily what we have on Android O. What do you guys think? So that was it. What was your favorite feature? I think the notification dots is one of my favorite features, and of course multitasking. अगर काम करना ढंग से शुरू करेगा, मेरे फोन के ऊपर तो ठीक से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, but like I said, it's a beta version OS. I half expected half the things to not work. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about Android O. Is it something that you're really looking forward to, and which feature? Until then, of course, don't forget to catch all the other action and all the other videos and content from Google I/O here in California.